Hi everyone, in this AI image creator tutorial I will show you how create it one powerful image by type simple prompts. We use here Flexa Studio. It's online software and it's use a lot of tools inside. Here all the tools and you can create your posts design in just by typing your simple prompts. If you want to log in on Flexa Studio, you'll find the link in the description. Now we are inside on Flexa Studio. Here all the tools option, you find it on Flexa Studio here. Click on here and here all the option here. You can generate design and a lot of things with Flexa Studio. Now we go to generated our image in here, and now we type the simple prompts for generated one powerful image for my Pinterest. Now we generated image about car and girls. We type in the prompts here, and here we choose the size and style, and we'll click on enhance prompts. Flexa Studio will gives you other prompts optimized for image. Now click on generated image. It takes some time. Now when my image when the design is ready, it's look like this. Now we'll see it here, the girl, and here the car, and here the all. It's with it's high quality actually. You download your image and that's it. Flexa Studio, it's one-time payment. You don't need to monthly fees. You just type your prompt and generated unlimited image by just one-time payment. If you want to try Flexa Studio, you will find the link in the description, and see you the next one. That's it in this tutorial.